Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all 3 ingredient smoothie recipes for summer season. Now you can have these smoothie recipes with breakfast or as your dinner, and these work wonder for weight loss. I'll be sharing with you all 3 recipes of smoothies and you can try them and let me know how you feel about them. These are amazing and delicious. My all the clients follow these recipes and take them as their breakfast or their dinner, and they have tremendous weight loss results. If you want personalized diet plans from me, you can mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com, or you can check the description box below for my contact details. Now let's begin with 3 ingredient recipes for summer seasons. Now the first one is watermelon slush. Definitely prefer this for weight loss, as watermelon is very easily available in the summer season and is extremely fresh. Now how to prepare this recipe? I freeze the watermelon overnight. Just chop the watermelon properly and freeze it overnight, and in the morning take a blender, add the freezed watermelon. I have here fresh mint leaves. Just add the fresh mint leaves to this and blend. You can add some water if the watermelon is too hard to blend. This recipe works wonders and is extremely good for weight loss. You can see the consistency, it is so good and fulfilling as well. Also follow me on Instagram for all the delicious recipes for weight loss. And now the second recipe is strawberry smoothie. Now it is one of my favorites because strawberry, as you all know, is a wonderful source of vitamin C. Now I have a full bowl of fresh strawberries. I got them from a farm. They are all organic. Now all you have to do is just in a blender add 6 to 7 strawberries. With this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi. Now I am using here curd or dahi made of fat-free milk, so you can use any dahi, it's okay. And add some water for the consistency. Just blend. You can see the gorgeous color of the smoothie. It is so good. I like to add some fresh strawberries over it and some chia seeds for the fiber intake. And you can have this delicious smoothie for your breakfast. It is delicious and all the vitamin C rich fruit. Now the last and my one of the favorite summer recipes for breakfast is mango smoothie. Mango, as you all know, is very easily available in the summer season and is extremely organic and fresh. So for this recipe we need fresh mangoes. Now I have peeled the mangoes and chopped them up. These are 2 mangoes, so I'll be just using half a mango, not more than that, for this smoothie. Now all you have to do is in a blender add some mango cubes. You can also freeze the mango overnight if you like it. Super chilled and super quick. So I'm just adding these mangoes in the blender. Along with that 3 tablespoons of dahi, fat-free dahi or any dahi, and along with that some water for the consistency. Now all you have to do is blend. Mangoes are extremely good in summer season as they are the most freshly available fruit and locally grown at every place. So we always tend to have locally grown fruits and also the fresh ones. They are amazing for vitamin C, for zinc, for magnesium, and for the fiber intake also. So you can see the consistency of this smoothie. It is so good, you'll enjoy having this. As usual, I like to top it up with some fresh mangoes and also with some chia seeds added to this. These recipes work wonder for weight loss and also amazing for summer season. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any query regarding any of these recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and check out all my Instagram recipes. You'll love having those recipes as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.